Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So this car does have PPF on the full front clip, nothing on the headlights though. So full front bumper, hood, fenders, as well as the side mirrors. Looking at that fender, that looks amazing here on this wheel. I don't see any curb rash. Got the bright red calipers, those look good. Side mirror nice and clean. A-pillar looks good. Kind of scanning that roof. I don't see any imperfections there. Looking at the edge. Edge looks good. I know those normally have chips on them. That little trim looks good. Door edge is clean. Lower rocker looks good. Quarter panel looks nice. Here on this wheel, it's in great condition. Like I said, no PPF on the headlights, but you do have full front clip. Scanning through that hood. I don't see any flaws there. Looks good. Here on the front bumper. Nice and clean, getting on that lower trim. Kind of scanning through all of that. Even the gloss black here has film on it. Now you're going to see a couple bubbles in that film, but it is there and protecting. Getting on the underside. That looks good. Nice and clean. That looks good. You do have a little rash on the plastic, but I don't see anything really on the bumper itself. Scanning the fender. That looks good. That wheel's nice and clean. Side mirror. You do have a little snag in the film right there, but it doesn't look like any paint damage. A-pillar looks nice. Upper side of the roof looks good. I'm not seeing anything on the door. Here on that door edge. Once again, that looks good all the way across. Lower rocker looks nice. I don't see any rash on that wheel. Looking at that upper deck lid. That looks good. Really not much to pick apart on this car. It looks brand new. Right, checking out the interior, absolutely gorgeous, tons of carbon. I love this seats, and it still smells brand new in here. Looking at the upper panel, looks perfect. Here's all that carbon. That trim looks good. I don't see really any scuffs or scratches down there. Looking at this trim, of course, a few light markings there, and on the plastic. Here on that bolster, that looks perfect. That looks really good. Check out all that carbon. Here on the steering wheel, all leather with the red stitching and the stripe. That looks good. You have carbon surrounding all of that trim. Heads-up display. Got the carbon in here with the front lift. I do see a little marking right there. Other than that, looks perfect. All right, checking out the passenger door panel. We got all the carbon here. That's perfect. I don't see really any flaws there. Now right there on the very edge, you're gonna see a tiny little marking. That trim looks good. Carpets are perfect. Once again, I love the seats. That bolster looks brand new. I don't see any flaws on that seat. And of course, over here, that looks really good. Underside of the glove box, nice and clean. Upper side of the dash, perfect. Here in the front, looking at all the carpet, looks perfect. I love the mat in there. All of that looks good, and this still smells brand new. Then looking back here, you do have the upgraded liner. The carpet is all nice and clean, and of course scanning through the engine bay, all of that looks brand new.